Fetch AI for the past few hours has been seeing a bit of a breakdown move after getting rejected at a key area of resistance above the 1.48, and at the time of this recording we are holding above a significant key area of support above the 1.162. We are also seeing a reaction to this blue target area that I have highlighted on the charts, which was the minimum pullback target area for this 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃, and there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to start another bounce to the upside in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃. And on today's video I will be discussing my short-term price prediction analysis, and above all give you my long-term price prediction analysis, where I am expecting to see more than a 10x on the Fetch AI chart in this bull market. And starting the video here on the daily chart, to first give you my long-term price prediction analysis, you can all see that last year we got our bear market lows before we started an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479, completing the formation of this 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃. And after we peaked in that 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃, we started a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high that we made in that 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that lies between the 1.846 and the 0.916, which is the area highlighted on the charts, an area that we have also fully maximized, increasing the likelihood that we now have a low in place in this 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃, and in the next coming days or maybe weeks we can start an aggressive bounce to the upside in this 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗖𝗃, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $6 mark. And if that is the case and we fully maximize our minimum target areas in that 𝗕𝗖𝗔𝗃 based on the current prices that we have at the moment, that will be a perfect 6x to the upside to fully hit these minimum target areas in this 𝗕𝗖𝗃 before we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback, then continue gearing up even higher in an 𝗕𝗖𝗃 whose minimum target areas lies above the $8 mark. And that is so close to a 10x because we can easily surpass above the $8 and possibly make a high above the $10 in the next coming weeks. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the Fetch AI chart on the long term. And jumping to the 1 hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis. Here on the short-term time frame, that is on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that after we picked in this 𝗕𝗖𝗃, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗖𝗃, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗖𝗃, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, which is the area I have highlighted on the charts. And this is an area that we have almost fully maximized, and we are also seeing a bit of a reaction to this area in what could be the start of a bounce in an 𝗕𝗖𝗃, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗖𝗃, then dragging the fibs to the high of that 𝗕𝗖𝗃, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, which lies above the 1.619, and that is a target area that I'm keeping my eyes on for the next coming hours. And the moment we see a break above the high that we made above the 1.48, that will be enough confirmation that we have a low in place in this 𝗕𝗖𝗃, and that aggressive bounce in this 𝗕𝗖𝗃 has now started. And if by any chance we see a retrace in the next coming hours breaking to the lower side of this blue target area, then that will be suggesting an alternative 𝗕𝗄𝗃 structure here on the charts, and that will be upon me to now give you an alternative scenario over here where we can easily see a reset of the lows that you made on the 5th of August. But for now, let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.